Hi, I'm Liz, and this is how to choose kitchen materials and finishes. Let's get into it. Choosing materials is one of the most exciting stages of a kitchen renovation. It's where design meets durability. And with so many options, it's important to make informed choices that suit your lifestyle and budget. Before you start, think about what you're keeping, especially flooring. In many homes, flooring runs through open plan areas. If you're keeping the existing floor, make sure your cabinetry and benchtop choices complement it. Think about tone, contrast, and texture to create a cohesive look. Start with a hero element, either cabinetry or benchtop, and build your palette from there. Use complementary colours and textures to add depth. Stick to a consistent scheme that works with the rest of your home. The cabinetry sets the tone for your kitchen. Options include melamine, laminate, and thermoformed in various profiles, including some textured finishes. Laminate is a solid and budget-friendly option that comes in a wide range of colours and textures. Engineered stone is durable, low maintenance, and comes at a more premium cost. Timber can bring in a warm, natural element, but keep in mind it does need sealing and ongoing care. Now is a great time to consider your flooring if you're thinking about replacing it. The kitchen is a high-traffic, high-use area, so it's important to choose something that can handle moisture, spills, and wear. Vinyl planks, hybrid flooring, and ceramic tiles are all great options that are water-resistant and easy to maintain. Now it's time to personalise. Tiled splashbacks are timeless, versatile, and easy to maintain. Glass and stone can add flair. Think of handles as the jewellery of your kitchen. Choose finishes that match your tapware and appliances. And don't forget the extras. Soft close hinges and drawer runners not only make your kitchen feel more premium, they also often have a longer lifespan. Tapware should be both stylish and functional, tying in with the rest of your chosen finishes. And don't forget integrating storage and selecting lighting that's both usable and stylish. With the right mix of materials and finishes built around what you're keeping and what you're changing, you'll end up with a kitchen that's not only functional, but looks great for years to come. And that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you plan and build your kitchen with confidence.